fades off into the trees. Very nice. Let's take a little stroll. There is a train track we're going to try and maneuver up to, maybe. Let's get in here. Used to be able to fish here. Now it's, I don't know if I'm going to trust getting in that muggy stuff. That's the kind of stuff you got into that one time, you know?
Yeah, that's a good.
I didn't get it. It's a, you probably, if you're seeing this video, then you've seen that one already. But she was stuck in a little, I don't know, almost to her knees. Not the, pretty close, trying to find us a place to fish, and I thought I was recording and I wasn't. I got the aftermath and discussed it, but it was funny. Nice view way over there. Road going across. Sun over there. But we're gonna head that direction and see. I don't know if we're gonna head down there. I don't think you could throw out there very easy. We have to go back down around this corner if we're gonna fish. Anyway, water's not up where it should be up here. Wow. Heading down the road to see if we can get up here. My little one's freezing, she says. Says her feet and ankles. And we're wearing those leggings.
Yes, they're leggings.
I got shorts on, but I'm a big boy, so I stay warm. Yeah. I seen something like a path or a drive up it. It's not gonna be pleasant, but never is going uphill. You know it?
Yeah.
Oh, water. Uh-oh. Okay, don't do no digging if you come here. There it is, though. I think we're gonna head that way and see what we can get. That way will put us in the water. There's water through there. But we'll head this way and see what's going on. Wow, it's steep. It's pretty wild, ain't it?
Mm-hmm.
I don't think that's going to be an easy climb up.
Mm-mm.
Wow. It never looks steep in the camera. Wow. That's like a really hard climb up. You want to show them
Want me to show them?
how steep it is? Maybe if you're in it, it'll... Yeah, that's crazy. Careful. All right, whoa. Wow. All right, I guess I'm gonna have to put this camera down and give it my best shot here. Is that tough? There's no rails on the side or nothing. Not sure how far out I'm gonna let us walk. That's where we came from though. I don't know, the light's probably not very good. It's a steep way back down too. Here we go. A lot of noises, ain't there? Sounds like other people walking around. Anyway. And there's the road. It goes all the way across down there. I don't want to get caught on it when the train comes. The sun, I didn't realize it was going to be like right smack dab where we were. You can see down there now. Ground's down there. Sun setting. Maybe here in a minute I'll go behind the trees. Get a better view. Yeah, the sun's rough. There's the train. Pretty cool. I think that tree, those trees will block the sun here in a second. We'll get a better view. See our shadows. Alright. A little more video of us. We're just heading the other direction. Over there's the bridge. The sun's getting behind that tree, which makes it a lot cooler looking. If I can zoom in a little. We're going to go across a little bit. I don't know when the train comes, but I don't want to have to try and outrun one. Plus, I don't like heights. I don't think it bothered me, but I don't want you or me falling. That would suck. Yeah. But it's getting down now, so we'll be able to walk out there. That's cool. Alright. I'll look around over here. I hear people. There's houses over there. The lake's over that way. Anyway, it's nice. It's cool looking at the train track go up around the trees. It's still up here though. If you wanted to come down, it wouldn't be pleasant. So they've got it perched up here above all this stuff. Pretty wild, you know, how high up it is compared to the woods on both sides. Yeah, that's down there. It probably evens out more up here. They had to build it up to get across that little bitty wet spot. Ain't much water there anymore. There's a tractor. Hear a lot of cracking and popping around here. Anyway, we'll probably journey over by this other way. Sun's looking better to me. And then we'll see where our journey takes us. I don't know what's up around this corner. We will check it out. See something amazingly cool, we'll let you see it. You can always find them. Old ones they've taken out and replaced, or I guess they pop out. There's a spike, yeah. Yeah, see, that's where they replace them. Don't pick them back up. Yeah, Another spike, yeah. See, so you can find you some railroad spikes, I guess. I mean, maybe some of them went in, I don't know. You never know how many is supposed to be in each one. I don't. You got somebody probably does it watching this. Some have 3, some have 2. Occasionally you see one with 1, which is probably not the best idea. But yeah, I don't know if it's where they pop out or if that's where they replace them or something. Or just dropped them as they were putting them in. Never even got put in. Anyway, we're gonna walk on down that way now. Over here's sun's not being friendly to us again over by the bridge, but we'll get there. Came too late in the evening. A little more, it goes up around that corner now. See if I can zoom in. I don't know. Anyway, we're gonna walk a little bit longer, maybe up to this corner, and then we'll head back over there. That's where the bridge is. The train. So now we're lower than the hillside. Pretty wild minute ago we were above it. Now they dug through it, put this track. Yeah, you can even see where they've worked on it. Or something's come through there. Yeah, and cut down trees so it don't fall on the track. I'm guessing. Yeah, they can't drive on the track. Big old ruts. Very cool. Just about walked over these talking to you. They're right smack dab in the middle of the track. Be standing right here when a train comes through and things be flying around like shrapnel. I don't know, somebody probably grabbed them and take them home to make them some crafts or something. I don't know. Didn't want to carry them all. I don't know what you do with old ones. I don't even know how old they are. Been sitting there for a second. It's got a little imprint. Yeah. Here's one. Bit. Yeah. Oh, I'm recording a video. I was actually going to take a photo of that hole in that tree. Anyway. Got a lot of nice noises in the woods. It's dark right in there. So we'll head back the other direction here soon, and so we can I think the lake, you can see a piece of the lake over there. Right over there. Piece of the lake. Should come back around and you can walk right. I think one side will be on the water and the other side won't on the rail. I don't know. I think it's up around that corner, but it might even be farther. We're going to head back that way, and that's the bridge that way. Nice. Sun's down, so we'll take a little gander. Yeah. Let's see down there. Goes off into the abyss. The road down there. Water. And walking across over there. cool. Very neat. Just fades off into the trees. Very nice. It's very high up too. You know it?
Mhm.
Anyway. Something to do. So now we gotta head back down that steep hill there. Right there. And my little one's freezing to death, so she's shivering. So the quicker we get down this thing, the better. But thanks for watching. Keep watching. I'll try and get better video, better quality video, because the cameras are not that good. I have to work on getting a better one. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe.